In this box here, I have two brand new off-road LED light pods to put onto my friend's truck right here. These are from the company Hawkglow, so huge thanks to them for sending me these lights. We already installed one of the lights just to test out how we want to put them in and see how it all works. But we haven't wired anything in yet, so we've still got this second light to do. It's all packaged really nicely, of course, all super high quality. So we've got our next light here. It comes with all the wiring things that you need. It's got a little manual here as well. It also comes with some extra wires and some mounting brackets along with the hardware necessary to install on a car. All right, so the way we're connecting this to the truck is right on the front and the bumper here. There's this little opening here and some bolts that go through there. And so we did it already on this one, so you can see how that one's done. We made these little brackets out of some just sheet metal so that we could slide it in between these two bumper pieces here. Just tighten down that bolt on top already and then attach this new bracket. This is the bracket and the nut and bolt that came with the kit. Just slide those through that little homemade bracket part there. We use two pieces of sheet metal so it's a little bit thicker so it doesn't wobble around as much. It's still got a little bit of play, but I don't think that'll be the end of the world. Alrighty, we got both of these bolted in. They've got a little bit of play yet, but I think that'll be all right. Worst case, if they wiggle around too much while it's driving, then we can, adjust something else there. But for now, I think that should be good. So the next thing we got to do is to route all the wiring to here. So they make it pretty easy for you to hook it all up. So it comes with these little, these little connectors on here that plug right into the connectors on the actual pods. And then it just runs up to your battery. There's a relay in here and then a little switch thing here that you can run through your firewall into your cab or just into the interior of your car, and then you can control it from the inside. There are also obviously different ways to connect these to your car. You don't have to do them up on the front bumper here. This is just the way we opted to do it. You could also drill into your hood. A company called Nylite makes some little brackets that would replace these here that just go around, so you could put them up there. Or if you have a roof rack or anything else, you can kind of put it on however you would like to put it on, but this is just the way that we wanted to do it because it's cheap and relatively easy. We get to make our own little brackets there, and so far it's working. First connector has been connected onto this second one.
Stupid wire piece is moving. Stop moving.
Alrighty, we got them both installed. We got all the wiring run up through here, so we ran it. Took off this plastic cover and just ran it up here and then through there. There's a nice little route out of the way that we could take it. Then it's zip tied in here and then just kind of stuck right here for now. We're going to work on running it through into the interior later on, but obviously it's getting a little dark. So for right now, we're just going to keep it right here. The connectors that come with this kit just kind of clamp right on with a nut that's already on the battery terminals. So that works perfectly. All right, so we've got the little amber covers on them right now. Those can just pop off if you want to take those off. But for now, we've got those stuck on. Let's see here if we turn them on. Check that out. And then it can get brighter as well. It's got brights there. Look at that. Those look so cool. Look at that. Those ambers actually look really cool. So with the normal headlights on as well, it goes super far, super bright. That's so sick. Now here's without the ambers on. Super bright. The camera can't even look right at them. Look at how bright that is. That's so cool. That's with the brights on as well. So as you can see, these lights are super bright. They look super cool. I think they'll work pretty good mounted up on the front bumper of this truck as well. So super cool. We kind of ran out of time filming this video, so we didn't get a chance to get more driving clips. But you can see how bright they are just from these clips of it sitting here in the driveway. And it looks so good. If you want to check them out for yourself, I'll put a link in the description below to where you can find these lights to their website, Hawkglow. Definitely recommend that you go check those out.